Welcome to AI Tools Hub. This is the secret backdoor for students. No logins, just pure raw power. Scroll down to education. We are unlocking the heavy hitters, the essay outliner, the GPA calculator, and a study planner that puts generic apps to total shame. Let's crush that paper right now. Open the essay outline generator. The interface is clean, distraction-free, and ready. Type your topic. We're going with climate change effects. You don't need a complex prompt here. Just give it the core keywords and let the model do the heavy structural lifting for you right now. Hit generate. Normally, this is where you'd stare at a blank page and panic. But look at this speed. Boom, full structure. Intro, body, conclusion. That literally just saved you an entire hour of brainstorming misery today. Back to home. Let's switch gears and get your schedule locked in. Grab the study planner. This isn't just a to-do list. It's a full Kanban board like the top CEOs use to manage empires. Visual clarity is key. We've got to do, in progress, and done. It is the ultimate system. Let's add a task. Math Chapter 5. If you don't write it down, let's be honest, it is never going to happen. You need to commit to the workflow. Set the date, December 17th. Lock it in. Add the plan. There it is. Now dragging this card is the best part. Move it to in progress the second you start working. And when you destroy that chapter, drag to done, that dopamine hit, that is what we call progress. If this workflow is helping you focus, drop a quick like right now. It fuels these videos and helps me find more hacks for you. Limitless mode is truly locked in. Heading back, let's check social media. Need a new identity? Click the username generator. This tool is totally underrated. This is for when user 123 just isn't cutting it anymore. Enter your keyword, say, gamer. We need a brand, not just a name. Pick a vibe, let's go edgy. We want something that commands respect instantly. Hit generate, let the algorithm cook for a second. Gamer reborn, game onslaught. 10 solid options, pick one, claim it, and you are branded for life. No more boring handles. Back to the grid. Let's try the ad copy gen. Perfect if you're trying to launch a side hustle this week. Let's print money. Product name goes here. Wireless noise canceling headphones. Be specific. The AI needs context to win. Select the platform. We want visuals, so go Instagram. Goal, lead generation to drive those sales numbers up immediately. Generate, it writes the hook, the body, and the CTA for you. Just copy, paste, and watch the engagement roll in. It is basically an infinite money glitch. Next up, hashtag generator. Stop guessing your tags. Niche is digital marketing. Hit generate. It hunts down the trending tags so you don't have to waste time searching manually. Let's look at the reply generator. If your DMs are exploding and you're overwhelmed, use this secret weapon right now. Select tone, professional and helpful. It drafts a perfect response instantly so you look like a pro. Back home, finally, the real scripter. Writer's block is real, but not with this tool. Topic: 5 tips for productivity. Duration: 60 seconds. We want storytelling that hooks people, not just boring facts. We need viral potential. It breaks down the script beat by beat. Hook, value, and closing CTA. It does the thinking for you. We have tons more here. Business tools, invoice generators, cover letters. It's an entire office suite sitting right in your browser for free. No credit card needed. Check the footer, see, request new tool. If you need something specific, tell us. We build exactly what students ask for. And down here, it converts PDFs, handles files. Honestly, this replaces the entire paid Adobe suite, and it costs absolutely zero. If this saved you even 10 minutes, subscribe for zero fluff breakdowns so YouTube shows this to more students. Comment your one struggle below. I'll make a video to fix it.